So the ocean's top predator. Scientifically, they're known as Ocygnus orca, more commonly referred to as killer whales. Here at SeaWorld, we know them as Katina, Milani, Malia, Shula, and Micaiah. Our killer whale family. Micaiah is our youngest whale, and just 14 years old. And the oldest is Micaiah's mother, Katina, who is also the matriarch or leader of our pod. SeaWorld's animal training techniques creates a language between us and the whales. It's a language of learning. Through positive reinforcement, encouragement, commitment, and care. Through these techniques and our relationships, the whales will trust us. And they even learn to take an active role in their very own health and well-being. Now here at SeaWorld, we've had to train our whales on a wide variety of different healthcare or cultural behaviors. Some might look a little bit different than others. For example, one of the very first healthcare behaviors we teach our whales is actually a position in which we're able to ask for a voluntary blood sample. The whales are taught to roll vectorally or upside down and present to us their tail fins. Now, not only does this give us a great view of the whale's entire body, but it also gives us access to blood vessels, easily seen on the white underside of their tail fins. Our veterinarians can provide a collective blood sample at least once a month, and our whales are taught to remain calm and relaxed throughout the entire procedure. Now, as trainers will commonly see us running their animals down, whether it be on their backs, pectoral flippers, or their tail flips. The whales have very sensitive skin, so this is just one of the many different ways how we can reward only improves for whales for remaining calm during a procedure like this. And it's also a really great way for us as trainers to strengthen relationships with our killer whales. Now, collecting a blood sample is just one way how we can ensure our whales are staying healthy. Another really important diagnostic is weighing our whales. Now, we're able to weigh our whales by asking them to slide their bodies up and onto a giant killer whale-sized scale we have